Let's go fishing! Ah, ah, ah! Oh boy! Oh boy!
Who are these guys at my dad's fishing spot?
We'll go this way. Hey, that's cool. Oh, and there's first cast. Did you get that?
I think a little.
Coming to say hi. Hey, horseshoe crab. You're decorated quite well. Look at those barnacles on that guy. Wow, is that ever cool? Let's see, how many millions years old are those guys? They're old. Well, we're going to switch lures. We're going to switch lures here. Oh, I'm hooked. Let's see, I tied this jig up. I didn't make the jig head, but I tied that Flashabou attractor on there. So let's give this a try. We gotta find out what they're hungry for. Probably for Jordy's cookies.
Send cookies.
I don't know whether to call it pencil minnow or what. You know what I'm saying? But I think it came out pretty cool. I like the glitter that I got on there. And this hook I tied the attractant to it. So that's cool. And this propeller actually spins underwater. I was hoping it to float on the water and make a ruckus on the top of the water. But it sinks a little bit, but it still has some nice action. Gotta pull my old guy pants up. My old guy pants are falling down. Come on, old guy. Catch a fish. I think this is one of the lures you found, Jessica, and I put a new hook on it.
That's right.
So let's give it a try. Let's make some commotion in the ocean. Woohoo!
Come on. Come on.
Report they were hitting surface lures. Come on, let's have one hit. Come on. Want to stop right there a minute? There's a drop off right along there. It gets a little deeper. Got to be a fish laying in there. Come on, right here. This would be cool. Get this on film. The water erupts. He catches a world record. What a day, huh? Look at that. Out there, look at there goes the boat. Don't know if we got it on film. Cape Cod Bay. Cape Cod Bay right out there. There's a working boat out there, some kind of dragger. Shell fishing. Yeah. Beautiful day. problem with trying to leave is it's in the back of your mind that if you would have only taken one more cast, you would have gotten a fish. Because you're leaving right when the fish are coming in. Couple more casts over here and we gotta go. Yeah, sure. What's nice about fishing this area, you probably can't see it, but there's a lot of crankiness to the bottom. A lot of piles of peat that come off of the bank, make some hiding spots for bait fish. And that's actually what I'm saying right now. You know, I think that's a problem. It's usually standing here, you can see the schools of bait fish coming by, which I don't. So I think we're going to call her a day. And once again, to all the folks that watch the channel, thank you very much. Tight lines. It's stuck on my tongue. Oh, this is so good. These little juice packs are good. No, they're not sponsoring my show. I know some people are into big and sponsors, but not yet. So what is
Go-Go
this?
Squeeze.
Oh, it's Go-Go Squeeze. I didn't even know what it is. So, yeah, it's great. I mean, there's some in here, but there just isn't a ton.
It's probably from all the pesticides.
See, when the water gets, you might be able to cross that right now, but here comes commotion anyway.
Yeah, stand-up paddle boarders. Give me a break. I'll get it later for you.
Oh, that'd be cool. You could do an owl in the nook.
Or an octopus.
Losing my old guy pants. Losing my old guy pants, Jordy. Yeah, you gotta check out Jordy's channel. Carving Fusion. One kind of a guy.